Carrot cake, no eggs, no flour, no sugar, healthy, beautiful, and so delicious. We will make it together in 2 minutes and you will enjoy the flavor of the most incredible carrot cake in the world. Let's start. So easy recipe. First of all, we grate 2 carrot, almost 250 gram. Then we added 60 gram of walnut. Then 140 gram of dates without seed. And then we added 80 gram of oatmeal flour or oatmeal whole. This is very important. 1 big spoon orange zest. And then 70 gram of coconut. 1 spoon of cinnamon, and you can increase the cinnamon as you want. And we mix it all together for 1-2 minutes just to be smooth dough. You can shake it to feel it down, or you can stop the machine and mix the edges, but I prefer to shake it sometimes. Here we go. You mix the size if you feel is not mixed well. And then we can prepare the tray. We can do it. You can see it becomes more soft, more nice, but not puree. Then I have tray 32 centimeter by 22. I spread the dough evenly. In same times, I preheat the oven 180 Celsius so I can bake it for 25 minutes and I will have the most delicious carrot cake you ever see. Make sure that the dough is evenly pressed and all the same level, so you have nice cut when you cooked. Let's bake the cake 180 degree Celsius for 20-25 minutes, depending about your oven, and then you have the most delicious carrot cake in the world. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmad Younis, waiting you for new video soon.